I just wanted to show you guys one of my favorite pieces of equipment that I use. This is my mini leveling base by Acrotech. The reason I got it's because when I first got this head right here, this little level, I can't see it. So I needed something that I could actually quick reference, set it up. So I ended up getting this head. And I love it. I use it for every time I do an event, I shoot video for them. That's what I use. What I like about it is that it has these big knobs here. So it's easy for me to set up. So this is the Acrotech Mini Leveling Base. Made here in the United States. I love it. Easy to set up. Boom, locked, you're good.